Hi, I'm Anna from Skipio's product team. Today I'm going to show you how to select multiple contacts to message at one time. To start, we'll open the message composer by clicking on the blue and white pencil icon. From there, you'll see the option to add contacts. When you click that, all of your contacts will appear in a list. Check the box for the contacts you want to message, hit confirm, and then you write out your message, choose when you want to send it, or if you're going to send it right then, that's great too. Now, when you're looking at your contacts, you can also select existing groups. So in this case, if I selected this A3 group and hit confirm, this message is now being sent to 3 contacts and 1 group for 7 total contacts. Or maybe you're looking at an existing group in your Skipio address book. In that case, you can select message group, write out your message, and click send. The final option for sending one message to multiple people is to look at all of your contacts in the address book, check the box for the contacts you want to message, and then click send message. No matter how you select your contacts or choose groups, each person who will receive that message will receive it individually as a one-on-one message from you. Remember that in Skipio, group messaging is not like it is on your phone, where you're put into a group with random people and random phone numbers you don't know. This also means that people's replies only go to you and not to everyone else in the group.